Okay, let's look at this question together, extracted from year 2024 question number 1. Let me be your guide on speed and accuracy as you get ready for Waec. Now, looking at this question, we are told that T varies directly with V, which is vehicles. The same T varies inversely with pump, which is P. So bringing these two together, we would have T varying directly with V and inversely with P. So what's the next thing to do? We introduce the constant K. So introducing K to take away that sign of proportionality, we will have T to be equal to KV over P. So in that case, what will our K be? If we make K subject here, we will have Tp to be equal to Kv, and when we divide both sides by V, we would have K to be equal to Tp over V. That is when I will look at the question. So now I can look at the other information, the other data in the question. When P is 5, T is 10, and V is 20. So with this information, I will find my K to be equal to 10 times 5 over 20, and that will give me 5 over 2. Now, if I have my K to be 5 over 2, remember, we have T to be equal to this, so I'll call this equation 1. And then I have my K to be equal to that, I'll call that equation 2. Okay, now I've gotten my K, I will substitute K equals 5 over 2 into equation 1, right? So substituting, we would have that T is equal to 5V over 2P, right? So this is what we call the connecting formula. This is the connecting formula between the variables T, V, and P. Then the next question says that we should find T when V is 50, P is 2. We don't know T. So we're going to substitute using into the connecting formula to find T. So T becomes 5 times V, and V is 50, over 2 times P, and P is 2. So 2 here will give us 25. 25 times 5, we have 125 over 2. Dividing for that, we will have it to be 62.5. All right. So this is time, right? So approximate it, since time is given to be in minutes, we'll have 63 minutes. Now, you see I put my scale. So if I were to be marking this in Waec, without this, I wonder what the 63 there stands for. The last but not the least, V has been provided to be 40 vehicles, time 20 minutes. How many pumps at that? We don't know. So we now have T, which is 20, to be equal to 5 times V, which is 40, over 2 times P, which we do not know. So from here, 2 here will give us 20. So we have 20 to be equal to 5 times 20 will give us 100 over P. So if we cross multiply, we will have 20P to be equal to 100. Sorry about that. So what's our P? Divide both sides by 20. So we'll have our P to be equal to 5 pumps. I don't just stop at 5. All right, so I hope it's clear. Bye.